Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First, I would like to say thank you for the chairperson of this parallel test session for allowing me to present my paper that titled Managing Padang Restaurants Consumer Trust, the Role of Halalness, Food Service, and Satisfaction. This paper was written by myself, Oki Trinanda, and my colleague Astri Yuzasari. Ladies and gentlemen, the background of this research is Padang Restaurant is one of the ethnic restaurant in Indonesia originating from Minangkabau. The existence and brand of Padang Restaurant has been very well known in the territory of Indonesia and even in several neighboring countries such as Australia, Singapore, Malaysia, and other countries. This is due to the fact that Minangkabau people, when they become an adult, they usually go to other places to find jobs or businesses that known as merantau. One of the popular business that Minangkabau people create in other places is Padang restaurant. And one of the important things in maintaining the sustainability of restaurant is trust. Without trust, it is not likely that a person or a consumer would visit a restaurant, much less they will feel satisfied or loyal to a restaurant. So trust is the key in the restaurant business. And halalness, which later become the main image of Padang restaurant, is a consequence of the fact that the entire Minang community is Muslim. In the theoretical reviews, I have gathered some of the theory from the research of the previous authors, and this is some of the definition that was used in this research. First, trust is a mechanism to reduce the complexity of human behavior in situations involving risk and uncertainty. Satisfaction is a feeling of pleasure or disappointment after comparing the performance of a product from the expected performance. If the performance, the actual performance is higher than the expected performance, then the consumer will feel satisfied and vice versa. While halalness is defined as permitted, can be used and legal according to Islamic law. And the food serving is simply the quality of service. This is our research framework. So we try to connect or try to analyze the relationship of halalness towards satisfaction, food serving towards satisfaction, and satisfaction towards consumers' trust. The research method or population and sample, the population of this study is all regencies and cities in West Sumatra, because all of the cities and regencies in West Sumatra is having a Padang restaurant there. And of these all regencies and cities, we take a sample of 2 regencies and 2 cities, namely Padang, Bukit Tinggi, 50 Kota, and Batu Sangkar. And then the respondent is 450 respondents who are the consumer of Padang restaurant, whom accidentally meet when this research is carried out. And we use the structural equational modeling for analysis. This is the result of our research. Not all of the relationship is significant. Halalness towards satisfaction is not significant. We can see that in the p-value, which is greater than 0.05, but the other relationship is significant, namely the servicing or the food service towards satisfaction and satisfaction toward trust that have p-value lower than 0.05. This means that Padang restaurant has really a strong image as a halal restaurant. So when a Muslim visit a Padang restaurant, they don't consider whether the food is halal or not. This is why the halalness is not significant, doesn't have any significant relationship towards satisfaction. It is given. The consumer doesn't really worry anymore about the halalness of the product or the food. But on the other hand, people or the consumer really thinks the food servicing can influence or have significant effect towards satisfaction. This means that if a Padang restaurant wants to raise the satisfaction of its consumer, they have to create a good food servicing, an excellent service. And the satisfaction toward trust also has a significant effect. In short, to create a greater trust, the Padang restaurant managers has to create satisfaction, a higher satisfaction, by creating a good food servicing. But they can ignore the fact that they don't have to promote their food as halal food, because that is beyond the worry of the consumer. So the conclusion of this research, first, halalness does not have a significant influence on satisfaction. On the other hand, food service can significantly affect customer satisfaction of Padang restaurant. The satisfaction is one of the factors that would increase Padang restaurant consumer trust. Thank you very much for this opportunity. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.